What's up, guys? Another Blicket video here, and like the video and subscribe, and you just might get a free mystical. So Ben is actually tricking us all. So if you guys didn't know, the Blizzard box might come back. Is coming back here, and Ben literally tricked us all. So if you go into Discord, Ben probably never made an announcement about it. So see here, he literally didn't even make an announcement about the Blizzard box coming out this month. So yeah, he lied to us. So he's tricking us. So I don't even know why I went to the event, and it'll probably say no events here. Because Ben's probably tricking all of us. So he did not even say anything about the Blizzard box coming out this month. And this is just the event from maybe like maybe like a few months ago. So, well, not a few months. This was the event. That was the event at the start of March. So So there's no Blizzard box. Ben just tricked us all, and I can't really confirm it's coming out because I saw in like a comment or something Ben was tricking us all. Like on here, why it hasn't come out yet. So this is the second day it hasn't even come out yet. I checked yesterday, but still hasn't even come out yet. So I think it's about Ben's mostly focusing about the ban situation. So thanks for watching, guys. Like the video and subscribe, and you might just get a free mystical.